Hello everyone, my name is Huiling Zhao. Today we're talking about the functions 11, quadratic function. The topic is analyze the property of a family function use GeoGebra. Concept. First, the parent function. What is parent function? Parent function is a simplest or basic function such as fs equal x squared. Next, family functions share a common characteristic. If a value of a is varied in the function expressed in vertex form, like the fs equal a times the perfect square x minus h and then plus k. They have same h and k value. Then they are in a same group. That means it's a family. And they will have the same vertex and the axis of the symmetry. For example, the family members px equals 3 times x minus 2 perfect square and then minus 1. And the second one is hs equal 4 times x minus 2 perfect square and minus 1. Next, another form is the factored form. It's fx equal a times x minus r times x minus s. Then they have same r and s value. Then they are in the same group. And they will have to share the same 0 points and axis of symmetry. For example, px equal a times x minus 1 and times x minus 3. And the second one is hs equal negative 4 times x minus 1 times x minus 3. Now let us use the software GeoGebra to explain what is the graph. First one, we open the web page, the GeoGebra Classic, and then here input function. The parent function is fx equal x squared, and the graph here. The symmetry is the y-axis, that means x equals 0, and the opening up. And next, input the family function that px equal three times x minus 2 square minus 1. And we can see this parabola here. Next, h is equal 4 times x minus 2 square minus 1. And then this is the parabola here, the broad one. And we close this one and see the only one hs here, the broad one. And then we click here to check the special point, that means critical point for the ps. And get A and B. then for the HS, it's very large. Yeah, for the red one, px is a, b is the 0 point, that means the root. A is 1.42 and 0, and b is 2.58. Yeah, here. And the vertex point C, the coordinate is 2 and -1. And the y-intercept is 11. I cannot see it. Okay, and the next HS, closed PS, and then check the special point, that means critical point. We can get the EF. This is the root. E is 1.50 and F is 2.5 here. And the H-termer, that means the minimum point is G. The coordinate is the 2 and -1. Y-intercept is 15, so we show both. We can see they have the same vertex, point G, 2, -1. That means they have the same x symmetry. Axis symmetry is 2x2. This line is the same. Okay, and then we change the second form is for factor form, and then delete. First one is P is equal 2 times x minus 1, x minus 3. The parabola here, the purple one, and next is HS equal -4 times x minus 1 times minus 3. And get the green one. Green one. Okay. We see the property, and then we close that one, and then see the PS. The special point is AB is root. That means it's the 0 point. The coordinate is 1, 0 here, and the B is 3, 0. And the third one is the actual mark, the C is the minimum point. The coordinate is 2 and -2. Yeah. The y-intercept is 0, 6. Cannot show here. So, and then you see the second one is HS, and the special point here. I get the EF. E is 1, 0. F is 3, 0, yeah, and actual point, there's the maximum point is G. The coordinate is 2 and 4 here. So it's 2 parabolas shown here, and they have to share the same axis of symmetry, at the x equal 2. And the difference is that they have the different vertex. They have this, but they have same the root and the same axis of symmetry, x equal 2. Obviously, because for HS, the A is -4, so it's opening down, the green one. And for PX, because A is 2, this is positive 2, so it's opening up. Okay, next we turn to PowerPoint to get a conclusion. Let the PS equal 3 times s minus 2 the previous square, and then minus 1, and the HS equal 4 times x minus 2 square and minus 1. Have same the vertex is 2 and -1, and axis symmetry is x is equal 2, but they have different 0 point. And the second one for the factorial form is PS equal 2 times s minus 1 times x minus 3, and HS equal -4 times x minus 1 times x minus 3 have same 0 points, 1, 0 and 3, 0. Both the axis symmetry is negative, x equal 2, but they have a different vertex point. For PX, the minimum value is -2. For the HS, the maximum value is 4. Okay, this topic is finished. Thank you. You are listening. Please subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you very much. See you next time.